Approximately 4 years ago, I started eAgronom. I made it at first for my father, and then other farmers needed us as well. And then we joined forces with my friends Denver, and today we have more than 1,300 farmers using it. The most exciting thing that has happened with eAgronom, and I think with farming in general lately, is AIA, Agribusiness Intelligence Advisory. It's a digital farming and agribusiness advisory service that provides you knowledge that right now is only in the heads of some small amount of top farmers. And we have a team of consultants who are advising farmers, and all this team together have almost 100 years of experience in agribusiness. And what's the core of this business is that we are independent. So we are founded by farmers, we are financed by farmers and venture capitalists. And the main goal for us is to make sure that farmers will make more and more profit.
Before joining the team, I was a business manager in UK, Russia and Ukraine, running, planning and overseeing large agri-businesses. My main responsibility was to ensure that the businesses ran operationally smooth and that were profitable. I've joined the eAgronom team because I believe that all farmers should have this opportunity to plan and manage their own businesses, be aware of their finances and every component part that makes their farming business run smoothly. Land, labour, machinery, the weather of course throws curveballs all the time, and all the components need to be fully understood and fully utilised for a business to be profitable.
I have been connected to farming my whole life. I grew up at a farm, so that's why I studied agriculture in university. I have a master's degree in agricultural production. After university, I went to work as an agronomist for an agronomical company. I was managing 2,500 hectares of land, doing crop protection plans, fertilization plans, seeding plans, and so on. As a local agronomist, I am communicating with our farmers and helping our team to find solutions, and also I do some office work to put together budgets and growing programs for farmers.
Once a farmer has agreed to join the team, we have a first meeting where we start to put together a budget, looking at all the costs and how they impact on the business, and enables us to get a very clear picture of where they are in terms of performance, both from crops and financial.
So far we have been helping farmers to realize what is their financial states, and also according to this they need to make decisions for the season. For example, we reduced one farmer's fertilization costs from 130 euros per hectare to 42 euros per hectare by just fiddling around with his fertilizer plants and changing products.
I have been working with AIA since October 2019 and have been visiting a lot of farmers. And every meeting has been quite interesting because every farmer basically operates to the best of their knowledge. And it is widely stimulating when one of our consultants come to visit and explain to them, for example, how applying fertilizer this amount and that time will basically help them improve results in yields and costs. And I think that is also one of the main reasons why they want to work with us. It's the independency, because we come in, we do the figures, we create a plan, and we apply this plan to the farm and taking into account only the needs of that farm basically. And another key reason is the holistic approach, because every business is different, and by looking into the farms individually we can ensure that what we do will also bring in the results, because that way we know how it all fits together.
We've identified large categories of areas where we can actually help farmers make better decisions automatically. For example, one of the products we have developed so far is an automatic crop planner. So this essentially means that instead of farmers going through this complex process of trying to figure out how they can keep good crop splits across years while complying to all the laws, while complying to agronomical standards, and then at the same time somehow optimizing for logistics. We developed an algorithm which can do all of that in a very short amount of time, and not only do that for 1 year, it can do that for 10 years in advance, and it makes sure that even if you have crop failures, it knows how to help you get back on track. It knows how to change your plans accordingly. It knows what you need to do to get the best logistics, get good compliance, and get great yields.
We produce results which are based on actual numbers, and therefore we don't have to decide basing on our gut feeling anymore. And I know that farmers, they produce a lot of data, but more often the case is that they don't know what to do with it. And that is something that we can and we want to help with.